If you're watching this, um, first off, know that you can invite people. I'm committed to doing uh, 100 consecutive recordings, and I'm going to. I'm committed to doing this every day for a year. Um, we are at 30 minutes right now. This coming Monday, I'm gonna bump it up to 35 minutes, and then we're going to start a little bit earlier because I want to end by 6 a.m. my time. So we'll be bumping up the amount of time and we'll be starting a little earlier as time goes by this coming Monday. Good morning, Rosemary. Good to see you here. Um, and again, just a reminder that I am doing a Vipassana style meditation or sit. This is just the style that I'm doing. It's, legs are crossed, you're closed, your hands are in your lap and together, and it's closed. Your mouth is closed, your eyes are closed. That's the whole point, right? Is to sort of close all the entry points to a certain extent. That's the idea behind it. And then the basic Vipassana meditation is it's called something else. I can't remember the name of it, but it's breathing and feeling the breath moving over your upper lip and just staying focused on that. Um, there is space for just paying attention to what's happening in your body and just staying with those sensations. And whatever is going on around you, whether there's noise outside or rustling or whatever is going on, it's important to just, well, the idea is to stay with what is and not try to change it, even in your body. There's a more advanced portion, in Vipassana meditation where you do body scans. Um, and that's, a way of just, again, not trying to change what is, but just staying with what is. Whatever you do, whether you're laying down, sitting up, walking, whatever kind of meditation works for you, that's what we're here for. The point is to just do it together and be consistent and, um, yeah, consistent. So every day. This is my practice, and I invite you to join me. So we're going to get started on this. Everything is up and running, it looks like. 30 minutes. Four bells, one at the beginning, one at 15 minutes, one at 25 minutes. That gives us 5 minutes for metta. And metta is loving kindness, giving out to other people and to the world as a benefit of your own practice. That's the practice that I'm doing. And then there's the ending bell, which is three gongs